Hey guys, my name is Dylan Duke and I'm with MFE. We're here today to look at the new MFE EBT Screener. It stands for Elevated Body Temperature Screener. It's a very basic setup. We have a tablet here, it's a Surface Pro, 32-inch monitor. You have a calibrated IR camera looking at the subject. We'll get Brian to walk in here and we'll show you quickly how it works. So we're going to focus on his tear ducts. Right now the box is screening his tear ducts and he has a 97.4 degree temperature there, so he would pass the test. And you see how quickly that was. It's only a few seconds, and then we'll get somebody in here to show you what it looks like when they have a fever. Alright, now let's look at what happens when an alarm is triggered. We'll look at our next subject. Amanda, please. So we'll see she stepped into the box. Her eyes are at 100.8, 101, so it's above the alarm threshold of 100.4. The box is turned red, so that gives us indication that she could have a fever. The next stage would that she'd step to the side. She would either be denied entry or she would be having her temperature taken, so we can confirm that she does in fact have a fever. Okay guys, a few things of note. We can change this custom kiosk into any configuration that you would desire. We are able to mount the camera on the walls. The black body can be mounted on the wall, so it isn't necessarily just have to stay in this kiosk form. And then we also have wheels down here, and so it is a mobile kiosk. So for any more information, please give us a call at 281-441-8284 or check our website out at www.mfethermal.com. Thank you guys.